Hello everybody, today we are test driving Mercedes Vito 2017, which came in with the usual problems, DPF, AdBlue problems. All the problems has been solved. Sir, what can you tell us? How was your van driving before and how is it driving now?
The van before was driving very sluggish. It was changing gear at about 3,000 revs.
Erratic changes.
Very late gear change. Now the gear changes are back to normal. Early, nice, smooth gear changes, and the acceleration is back in the van. You know, it's responsive on the accelerator. Where
It's very good, isn't it?
So yeah, it feels like a new car, new taxi almost. So yeah, I'm very happy with the job.
Are you happy?
I'm happy, yes.
Excellent. I have another happy customer from Supreme DPF Cleaning, also known as Moorhouse Garage Ltd. We specialize on DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters for what we do. Please contact me on 07533636194 with your problems, so I can help you with your problems. Thanks for watching, and please click on like button for further more educational videos. Thank you.